Hey there! Today I want to help you get started with a step-by-step plain English way to use and navigate the model browser in CATIA Cameo Systems Modeler. Think of the model browser as the central filing cabinet for your entire project in Cameo Systems Modeler. The model browser provides a visual representation of your model elements hierarchy and makes it much easier to work with your project's data. Here's a straightforward introduction to understanding and using this tool. Let's start by looking at the model browser in the tool. The browser uses a simple, expandable folder structure to keep your project organized. Here's how to read the symbols next to your items. First, you have the compressed, or plus sign. The plus sign next to an icon means that the element contains other hidden model elements inside it. Simply click the plus sign to expand the item and view its contents. Next, you have the expanded, or minus sign. A minus sign indicates that the folder or item is fully open. Click the minus sign to collapse it and save yourself some screen space. If an icon has no plus or minus sign next to it, the item stands alone and doesn't contain any subordinate elements. Alright, at the top of the model browser panel, you'll see several tabs. These tabs allow you to view your project's data from different perspectives. First, we have the Containment tab. This is your primary workspace, which groups data into logical sets and shows the complete hierarchy of your folders and elements. Next to it, we've got the Diagrams tab. This filters out all the background data and only groups your visual diagrams by type or shows them as a simple list. The Structure tab to the right shows the deeply nested structures of specific classifiers or components you're building. Inheritance. This tab displays the overall model hierarchy of your project. Here you have the search results. The search tab stays hidden until you search for something. At that point, it'll appear to let you search and display your specific search results. Let's look at some everyday things you'll do. The model browser is an active workspace you can use as a faster alternative to the main top menus. You can accomplish almost anything by right-clicking items in the browser. You can copy, cut, paste, and delete model elements directly within the browser list. Right-clicking a package or folder allows you to instantly create new elements, visual diagrams, or relations directly inside that folder. You can easily drag elements around within the browser to reorganize them, or drop them onto your main diagram pane to add them to your visual canvas. Right-clicking a package also gives you access to a large Generate Report menu, allowing you to instantly export your data into formats like Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, or HTML files. The right-click menu provides immediate shortcuts to helpful project tools like the Package Overview Diagram Wizard, Dependency Checkers, and Data Marking capabilities. Congrats on mastering the model browser! Hope this video helped and look forward to seeing you in the next one.